welcome back to 26 Acres Outdoors. I've got another fish filleting video for you today. This is how I clean porgies. Quick, easy, no bones, and very little mess. So, we went out fishing porgies today. Connecticut, they got to be 10 inches or bigger. So we got a couple nice ones. I'll do one for you. Show you how I do it. Some people take them, they just pull out the guts, and then they take off the scales and they just cook them like that. That's not how I do it. I don't like bones in it. It's quick and easy. Hopefully this fillet knife is sharper than the last fish video I did for you guys. But basically just come right here behind his fin. You're gonna cut right down to his backbone. I got one B right here, right to that. You're gonna turn your knife, you're gonna go right around, right up top of his backbone. As you can see, I'm kind of doing it backwards. Right along. And then you're just gonna go a little deeper on the top of the rib cage, and then once you're about halfway through, you're just gonna kind of pop your knife all the way till it comes out the bottom, and you're gonna ride his backbone straight out the tail. You got your fillet. I'll show you what to do with that next. Gonna flip them over, do the same thing. Not very hard. It can go rather quickly if you're not showing the video. Just like that. Pop my knife down. Right down in this spot. So you got those two. Put this in the bucket. Rinse off what he's been eating. And then you're left with the two fillets. And just like anything else, you're going to grab the skin here. You're just going to push the meat right off like you're doing any other kind of fish. That B, you leave me alone, would be nice. Man, this knife is dull too. Okay, skin in the bucket. We'll do this side. Got that. And then you're left with your little fillet, and then you have his rib cage right here. And all you're gonna do is turn it around, and you can feel bones right up back to here. So you're gonna start right there. You're just gonna cut that out right there. That's rib cage, and then you're gonna make a little V right here. I know I did a video of this before, but last year, but it was dark. And that's what you got. Awesome for fish tacos, or even I make some stuff with rice and all that fun stuff. I mean, there's all kinds you can do with it, but we found that the fish tacos are just awesome, or a wrap. And that's it. That is it. Quick, easy. That's it. Just cut that little V out. And if you haven't eaten porgies, they're delicious. And this is a way to do it that you don't have to sit there and pick all the meat off the bone. You got your nice little fillet, no bones, zero bones. Eat away. Enjoy. Hope you guys like it. Another quick fish cleaning video for you. So go out and catch some porgies this summer. We're just starting. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.